In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the eBay AI chatbot to address your concerns. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the chatbot interface and obtain assistance for your inquiries or issues. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, locate the help section. This can typically be found at the top of the eBay homepage. After entering the help section, look for the AI chatbot option within the customer support area. When you find it, click on Start Chat to initiate the interaction with the chatbot. After clicking Start Chat, a chat window will open, prompting you to describe your issue. It's important to use simple and clear language to ensure the chatbot can understand your request. If your inquiry relates to a specific order, be prepared to provide relevant order numbers, as this information can facilitate a quicker next. Pay close attention to the prompts provided by the chatbot. The AI will often suggest options based on your initial description. Select the most relevant options when they appear. Providing accurate details in your responses will help the chatbot assist you more efficiently. If the chatbot requests screenshots to better understand your issue, make sure to upload them as instructed. Keep your replies clear and concise to maintain the flow of the conversation. In cases where the chatbot is unable to resolve your issue, you can request assistance from a human agent. Look for an option that allows you to escalate the conversation to live support. Once this request is made, be prepared to wait briefly while the connection is established. During this time, you may see a loading indicator confirming that your request is being processed. When connected to a human agent, follow their instructions carefully to ensure your issue is addressed. It is advisable to save the conversation transcript for future reference, as this can be useful if the issue persists. Before concluding the chat, confirm that your problem has been resolved to your satisfaction to avoid any further complications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.